everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on the river from the 3rd to the 7th of May 2021 on Monday. Lives are endangered as things escalate at the mansion, and Tepiso continue to spiral on Tuesday. Emma finally gets what she wants, but at the cost of her husband's happiness. Kidiboni take drastic measures to get Tepiso back in line on Wednesday. Tepiso has the worst day, and Zungazi may not be as smart as she thought she was on Thursday. Beauty warns Emma that she may not be as good at hiding things from Zolani as she had hoped. Flora and Kediboni dread giving an old friend some bad news on Friday. Zolani and Emma face off with a family member. Tepiso's hospitalization causes a stir and division in Refilwe. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.